Hello everyone. Today let's see how to prepare an SD card with the Raspberry Pi operating system. So for that you need actually a card reader, and here I have a SD card which we need to place it on the Raspberry Pi kit later when you load the operating system. But before that we need to prepare the operating system on this SD card. So for that, take out the SD card from the Raspberry Pi. If it is connected, you need to have a card reader for this purpose, and insert the card reader, insert this SD card reader onto the system. Now what you need to do is, before you do anything, you need to download the required Raspberry Pi operating system. For this, now let's plug this card reader onto the system, onto the PC, and okay, once you insert the card reader, the drive will be detected. So here is a boot drive. So what you need to do is, if anything is there in that, right click and simply format the SD card. Okay, you can just click on the quick format and click the start button, so that now I already have the operating system, so I will not format. But when you are doing it anew, when you are preparing an SD card, so better to format this. So click start here, so it will start formatting. Once the formatting is done, you need to download the required Raspberry Pi operating system. So for that, what you need to do is you can just go to the raspberrypi.org website. Okay, so log into just go to the raspberrypi.org website, and there is a section for the software. Under the software, you can get the required Raspberry Pi operating system. So now what we'll do is, we need to go here, let's say on the download sections, click on the download sections. So now you can choose the operating system. Let me manually install install the image onto the SD card. So here you have the options. So in this, let's go with the little lighter version. So which is the third option I prefer actually. So maybe with 1.17 GB is preferred, or if you want it with the Raspberry Pi OS Lite version with the minimum requirement, also you can try. So let me try with this. So please download this Raspberry Pi OS. So you will get a zip file, so which I have already downloaded, and see, once you download, you can just find it over here. So this is actually the zip file. So after downloading, you need to extract it. So you will get this is the one. Okay, so this is the one. So you need to extract to the required folder. So once you extract it, it will take some time because it is around 1.17 GB. So open this, so you will get an image file. So you need to load this image file onto the SD card. So we already have an SD card here. So how to do it? So you cannot simply copy and paste this particular file into this SD card. So what you need is, for that you need to install one special software, either iChor or maybe the Win32 image loader you need to download. For that, what you do, just go to the documentation. So in the Raspberry Pi, there the website, and the bottom you'll get a documentation. Under the documentation, you can choose here installation. So there is a step-by-step guide on how to install. So we have installing images here. So click on installing images, and there are software recommended to use for preparing the image. So what you can do is, I need to prepare an image here. So what you need to do is, I wanted to write the image in my Windows operating system here. So it depends on which operating system you use right now to prepare the image. So right now I'm in the Windows operating system, so I'm going to use writing the image using the Windows operating system. When you click here, so it will now give you the procedure to be used. So there are now applications. So what I used here is I used Win32 Disk Manager. So go to this website and download the utility SourceForge from this page. You can click this page and the new page will appear, and in this please download the version. So click on this, the Windows 32 Disk Manager will be downloaded. Once you download it, please install it. So right now I already installed it, so you can find it in the download section, the same software again. So that's right now it is here, so you can install it. So yeah, that is here. So this is a WinDisk image. So after installation you will get that in your system. So once you do that, what you need to do is you need to run that application. So just click here, Win image. See here it is, Win32 is an application. So Disk Manager, so this is the application. Click on this application. This application will open. Yes. So once it opens, now you need to prepare the SD card. So we already have this is the device, so this is an F drive. So here you need to choose the image file, select the image file. So image file is in the download section. So I have, this is the image file. Locate the image file, open it. Once you open it, next process is to, you need not have to select none of this actually sections, so you can leave it as it is. So just click on write. Once you click on write, this will take around 20 to 25 minutes to prepare the SD card. So once it is done, you can now load your Raspberry Pi. You can boot the Raspberry Pi system with the required software, with the required operating system. So that is a procedure involved in preparing the SD card. Thank you.